Okay, there we go. Okay. Hi, I'm Herb, and this is Carter. We're from Shiftworks, and what we're going to talk to you about today is if you have a 66 or 67 GTO Tempest car like that, and you have one of these factory shifters, or you don't maybe. If you don't have it, we have a replacement shifter. And if you have one of these and the handle's broken, as often happens because they're made out of pot metal, there is a way we're going to show you to use our shifter within your old original shifter body so that you can still have these mounting points available for your console. Now, if you don't have any shifter at all, we do have our shifter. Yes, it doesn't look like the factory shifter below the console. It's going to mount to the floor just like the factory shifter, and you can use that. So what we have is, Carter's going to do this part for you. But what we have here is the same. We have the shifter, but the shifter handle's broken. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this original shifter body frame, and we're going to remove the old neutral safety switch, remove the shift gate, and we're going to show you how to mount our shifter into this body. Cut.